Hi guys, now I will tell you how to start work with Dreamweaver. So what you want to do is just go to your file and then go for clicking on new, so that you will be asking for the general common general templates, or otherwise generally basic pages or HTML pages. You can have a HTML template and XST and CSS, JavaScript, XML. These all are might be there, and we can also have JSP or ASP and PHP. And now let us say I will try to select the give how to work with the frame set first. So let us say in a frame set we have a three different like the window can be splitted into two portions, either horizontal or vertical split. And apart from that we have a maximum of three portions you can able to split. So by default you can see many of the uh, page working areas may be split into three portions. One is the left, top, and then the main area, working area. So I'll choose this fixed left nested top. Okay, then I will try to create my page. So you can see the main frame. This is the name of the overall page. So we can give that as a main frame. Okay, and now this main frame may have three portions. One is the top, left, and then the other one is the main window. So now whatever you have, so the same thing I just implemented already. So you can see here I have split it into three portions, and I just you can bring some logos here or any pictures if you want, and then just I have given some text. Apart from that, in the left window I just created about us, staff, and then contact. So just I have placed some text, and then in the working window where I'm going to make all the changes, that I have made it as some content. So see here my objective is try to have a about us, staff, and then contact. So in the about us, I'm going to have another file called about us. To create a HTML hyperlink. You can just design mode only. You can see the HTML code of it in a design window. Whatever the hyperlink I'm about us, I'm going to about us where I have already created. So just click on that. Okay, and class itself, then you can give a self. In a new window, then you can go for a blank and get to its previous window, then you say it is a parent. So only on the main to give a mainframe here. Suppose if you want to load it here, different, so totally 7 different targets are there. Depend on your requirement, you can choose which you want. So now as of this example is concerned, I have taken the about us, and I have given a mainframe. So this will load the content here. Okay, and then the staff, when we click the staff, it is going to load the file too. So in the file called I haven't given, so it is going to do a self load. So you can make it as a self. Okay, or otherwise you can also give a mainframe so that it will be loaded in the mainframe itself. Okay, and so this is the simple example, so in which I have used it, and then click on the image tag and select the file which you want to bring it here. So scroll and then get it as a JPG file or zip file or a PNG file, whatever it might be. And you have a section of the to align. Okay, and then I basically it contains styles. You can choose the, you can make use of three. So there are so many here ordering our unordered list. So this is the ordered list numbering. If you want to have, then we can call it as a ordered list. If it is a bullets, then you can call it as a unordered list. Okay, so these are some of the, this is the alignment, how the text is going to be presented in your document. Okay, and when we want to have a hyperlink, you can just give it in a link. So this is how we can create a simple web page where once you completed it, save it all. So just go for file, save all, and then you can save your file name. Okay. Once you completed all the saving, give some meaningful name. Just I'm randomly giving here, but that is not a good practice. We need to give a proper name for each and everything so that we can understand where the content is present easily, so that you can easily create your links. And after saving all your files, now you need to see how the website was created. So what you want to do is you just go to the file, go for the preview in browser, and give a explorer. So whatever the browser you have, you just click on it, or otherwise you can also press the F12 so that you can see the page is opening here. So this is the page was open when we press the F12. So if I click the about us, you can see the welcome message which I have just linked, and then staff, it will list all the faculties, and if I click the name, our profile is going to be loaded, and then contact us, which I have given our HOD name. Fine. So in that manner, we can try to just build some simple HTML file. So hope you understand how to build a simple HTML file. And one more thing I have included in this, which is nothing but the CSS. So in the CSS, you can see uh, this for this page only I have included the CSS. It's an inline CSS. Why I'm calling it as an inline CSS means I'm just building the code inside the header itself. Okay, so you can see here the style was included. I'm not giving a separate .css file. Just I'm bringing embedding the CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet. So just bringing that inside the header itself so that it will be applied for the entire file. Okay. So now what I have given here is for the body, the background color is light blue, and then the H1, which is H1 is nothing but the header, not a header. That font style is H1, which may be the text is going to be very larger one, and the color is white, and alignment is center, and then paragraph for the paragraph wherever we have some messages, it is going to be the size of 20, and then the font font family is Veranada. So this is the one, and we can close the style, and we are just placed inside the head itself. So what happened if you see in our outcome, you can see the Kyle very that name, wherever the faculty names are listed, that contains the light blue in color. Okay, so hope you have understand this Dreamweaver. Just try to execute by yourself once. Just practice it. Thank you.